Miniature cooking videos are taking over YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. They're satisfying, highly addictive to watch, and some creators are getting millions of views from this one content style alone. These are viral AI mini cooking videos I created in just a few minutes using Fotor. The best part is that they require no animation skills or expensive software. Let's get started. First, ask ChatGPT for a list of 10 delicious dishes. Choose one and enter it into my prompt document. The prompt document is linked in the description. You can simply click to copy it. Next, we go to Fotor. Select the AI Video Generator feature. Choose the Gemini Omni Flash model. Paste the prompt we just copied. Select the video dimensions, set the duration to 10 seconds, and click Generate. In less than 5 minutes, you can create a viral miniature cooking video ready to be posted on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. If you want more AI video tutorials, viral prompt ideas, and the latest AI content creation tricks, make sure to subscribe. I upload new AI workflows every week to help you create better content faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.